Our brothers and sisters have suffered a lot, and they've been suffering for a long time. They have been under the cruelty of this occupation for decades now. Completely ignored, but not by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And while their casualties are not noted here, and while it might seem like they're being cast aside, I want you to recognize that the people that are under the rubble and the people that are being buried in these bombs are akramu ahlil ard, are the most noble people on earth in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala right now. We don't need anyone to validate our narrative. We don't need anyone to honor our loved ones. We don't need anyone to honor our dead. We have to ask ourselves, where are we in all of this? And they persevere. They keep going. They refuse to stop existing. They refuse to give up on Al-Aqsa. They refuse to give up on their righteous cause. They refuse to go away, the Palestinian people. Absolutely refuse.